So how do we actually play Waterpark Simulator with friends on our PlayStation 5? Well, the first thing we need to do on the main menu here is to click on multiplayer, as you can see, and then click on host. Then we're gonna click on new game. And now you can see you can select beach or city, and then you can also uh, name your park here. So I'm just gonna name it like this. And you can also select difficulty here if you want to, and then click on create. Now you can have friends only or invite only. I have invite only. I believe, to be honest, they're quite similar, but I believe if you have friends only, then that means that you can only invite your friends that you have on your PlayStation 5, or invite only. I guess you can invite anybody, but I'm just gonna have invite only because I can still invite my friends even if I have invite only. So I don't really get what's the difference, to be honest. So I just have it like that. And you can see now I have the map here. Whoops. But yeah, I have to click on the menu now and then click on invite friends. And you can see now I'm able to invite my friends that I have on my PlayStation 5 and I click on invite. So you can see game invitation has been sent. So I just have to wait for them to accept it. And afterwards, I will be able to play with my friends. And basically that is exactly how to actually do this.